Hello, in this video I will begin with the restoration of this horn. As you can see, this is in a very bad condition, but this is a Norris horn, so this model is very rare, and it is usually used on the big motorcycles like Zundap or BMW R75 and that kind of vehicles. So this is not for a small motorcycle, and that is the reason why I bought this item, and it will be a nice challenge to see can I fix it. Now the first problem here is the corrosion. Old bolts are very corrosive, so they will probably crack when I try to unscrew them, so I will need to heat them up so badly that the corrosion will burn. I will use this torch for that. Now, because there are no sensitive parts around this part here, so I can use fire, and I can heat this part very badly until the bolts became red, so you don't need to be feared that something will happen. Now I'll use this tool. Okay, let's see what will happen. And as you can see, it's really easy now. Minimal force. And now you can even use these bolts again if you really want all parts original. So now I have removed all of the remaining bolts and the nuts, so here are the rest of the parts. So this part is very badly damaged, but it will be saved. Now if you look into inside of this horn, you will see that the inside is in quite good condition comparing to the outer part, and the reason for that is that right here it was probably paper sealed, but I think it was burned during the removing of the bolts, so that seal protects water to go inside of the horn, and that is the reason why the horn from outside can be looking very badly, but it can still work and can be repaired. Now this part here, this is the main switch. So when the power is on, this switch is for turning off and on this electric magnet, and that happens very fast. So the magnet pulls this part hits this switch, and at that moment the switch is off. So the magnet releases this part goes into the neutral position, and at that point the power is again on the magnet. So the magnet pulls back this part, and this part again hit this switch, and that happens very, very fast. And that the sound that horn is making is vibration of this part here. So when the magnet is pulling this part up and down very fast, this part makes that noise. That vibration of this metal part is what makes sound. So I will need to remove all of this part, clean this corrosion, and see how it will work. Now this part here is a capacitor. Since this is a big horn and the power is 6 volts, so this big horn needs capacitor so to be able to power up this huge magnet. Now I will try to remove this switch. Oh, now there is one bolt here, and you can see it from the outer side. So this bolt is used for moving this switch up or down. So this is for tuning the vibration. So this is for tuning when how long it takes for this part to hit this switch. Will it happen fast or slow? So this is for moving this part up or down. And with this bolt here you can tune the sound of the horn. Now this bolt here has been totally damaged by the corrosion, so I will need to use heat to remove it out, and after that I will need to remove these two bolts here and capacitor, and this will be the main problem since this is a plastic. I will need to find some way to heat this part, but without melting down this plastic part. So this is for now. Once when those parts will be cleaned and prepared for installing, I will make a video of how to install these parts.